Hello viewers. I have two strings of battery operated lights over here. They run off of two C batteries, and I've always liked them because they are incandescent, not LED, and so they actually look very nice. And I knew at some point there was an AC powered version of these lights available. I scoured every retail website on the internet that I could think of, and I could not find them for sale anywhere. I knew they were still in production because I found a company that makes them, and they had them on a website, but they don't really sell to consumers. You had to buy a very large quantity of them in order to have them ship them out to you. And so I wasn't really able to get any, but this year I finally found them for sale somewhere at a local store called Hollandia. I don't normally shop there because I can't afford anything in the store, but I found these, and there was $6, which I think is kind of steep, but I've wanted a set of these for so long for the village, I decided to buy them anyways. And so here it is. This is two strings, so this is 40 lights on this tree, and it just looks incredible. This was exactly what I wanted for this tree. And it's, oh jeez, I almost fell. Anyways, it's perfect for the village. We'll turn the rest of these lights on. And it just fills in the center very nicely. I'll get another, oh jeez, I'm wrecking the place here. Okay, I will get another clip of these at night, and I'll put that in here. You can see it really looks great. You can never get this kind of appearance out of a stinking LED set. So I actually went back and got a few more of them because I liked them so much. I put them on this tree, and I put them on this tree, and I also got a white string, which I'm using in here on this tree, and I'll insert a clip of this at night here as well. So anyways, there's those. Just wanted to show them because I mentioned them in another video. And so here they are.